Welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the string joiner in Java 8. So before string joiner, right, we are having the string builder, string buffer and all other features. But why string joiner came? See, whenever you want to do some bitwise, if in a sequence of characters, right, you want to add some of the comma delimiter or prefix and suffix and values, right? So in string builder, right, it is going to be difficult because more number of lines of code is going to be written. But by using this string joiner, right, it is very easy to implement. That's the reason Java 8 people has been introduced this string joiner method. String joiner is a class available in java.util package, and it is used to construct a sequence of characters separated by the delimiter, and optionally starting with supplied prefix and ending with supplied suffix. This feature can also be done with string builder by adding the append method in each and every line. Okay, but right, appending the each and every line is going to be some memory consuming and cost consuming, and number of lines are also going to be increased. So that it has been introduced with so that string joiner is the better option for adding the some special characters or delimiters or the string joiner is having the two constructors. One is the string joiner and sequence of characters. Okay, string joiner character sequence delimiter. Okay, this character sequence is there, right? Whatever the data between the each and every character, right, if you want to add, so then you can add in the delimiter. So that means it is not going to be use any prefix or suffix, and it is going to be construct the data as per the given delimiter. Okay, so let me see the one example, you will understand. See, this is the example which I have written. So I will comment other sysouts, so you will get better clarity. Yeah, see, string joiner, new string joiner of comma delimiter. See, this is the string joiner, right? Character sequence is the constructor is available. So whatever the data is coming, right, you can add in between the characters or words. Okay, here joiner add is the another method. Okay, so to add the each and every data for that joiner, right, we can use the add. I am a Java developer. See, this is the sentence I have used. So in between that, right, you want to add the comma. So let me execute this program. See, I comma am comma Java developer. So like that, each and every special character you can use. Suppose if you want to use add some USA. Okay, like that you want to add, right? So you can add. See, I USA, I am USA, like that, but it is not a good readable. So but if you want to add any special characters, right, like pipe symbol, stars and all, so you can use this constructor. Okay, now let me go to the second constructor. The second constructor is string joiner character sequence delimiter character prefix character sequence of suffix. Okay, it construct the joiner with no characters using the copies of the supplied prefix and delimiter and suffix. Suppose, right, if you see the example, you will understand. The second constructor, what it will does is, right, string joiner space is my delimiter and prefix is the square bracket and suffix is the also square bracket. So in between that you want to add the data. Most Indians watch cricket. So likewise I am constructing. See, in between that, right, most Indians watch cricket. So likewise, suppose, right, if you don't want to add a space, you want to add the underscore and star like that. Okay, you can add this actually. See, star most and every word in between, right, underscore is the special character delimiter you have added, and ending with square bracket which I have provided. So likewise it is going to be add. Okay, so and one more thing, there is a one method is available in the string joiner. Okay, so that is the another method is merge. Okay, suppose right, if you want to add more than one joiners, string joiners into the continuously, right, you can use the string joiner of merge method. So I will show you the example. Okay, suppose there is a string joiner, which is I am a Java developer. Second one is the most Indians watch cricket. Okay, let me execute this program. See, I am a Java developer. Most Indians watch cricket. Here, right, prefix and suffix is going to be suppressed. Okay, let me add this space, so you will understand. I mean, you will get better readability. See, and I will comment this second sys out also. Yeah, I'm a Java developer. Most Indians watch cricket. So likewise, you can merge. Suppose if you want to merge another another joiner, right? Merge new string joiner. So you can use in this way actually. New string joiner, merge of another string joiner, right? So I will add one more string joiner, joiner 3 equals to new string joiner. And here, right, I'm simply giving some special characters like pipe delimiter. Okay, pipe is already there, right? So comma, I don't want to add any prefix and suffix since it is going to be ignored, right? Joiner dot add any characters you can give, like yeah, countries I'm going to add India, and Russia. Okay, likewise you can add. Okay, okay, now I'm going to merge this another joiner, right? So we can merge it. See here, I am a Java developer. Most Indians watch cricket. USA, comma India, comma Russia, as per our delimiter. So likewise, you can use. So I hope you are understanding, right? So it is going to be more flexible than string builder of string builder. So I hope you have been enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.